Alright, just a quick video. Finally finished this little mini stereo system, this little mini ceremony system. Got an iPad running DJ Pro, a GoRack DSP, and a 3-channel mixer. We got mics on channel 1 and 2, and channel 3 is the iPad master volume, 3 independent volumes, plus we got volume here. 2 wireless lav microphones. I'm wearing a mic, and I have one more. The output is right here. Probably I will do a wireless output to a receiver there. All I've got to do is buy a battery powered speaker. I'm probably going to go with the JBL Eon 1 Pro battery powered speaker, and we'll be all set. I'll have a completely wireless, completely battery powered system that is tiny, that I can take anywhere with me. I'll do another video soon. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Next video I'll take this thing apart and put it together on video, and you'll see all the pieces and how it works. Hope you guys enjoyed. Again, subscribe to that YouTube channel and you'll be notified when the next video goes up. Thanks.